Let's face it, perfectionism can be the ultimate roadblock when it comes to launching a new content channel. How many times have you put off creating because you're waiting for the perfect first video? Here's the thing, embracing imperfection can actually supercharge your growth as a creator. Choosing a specific niche is also a game changer. By zeroing in on what you love, you're able to create content that truly connects with your audience. Plus, brainstorming video ideas specific to that niche can spark some serious creativity. Now, here's a tip. Commit to creating content consistently for 2 months. This practice not only builds your skills, but also helps you refine your unique style. Focus on key elements like audio quality and editing. These are what elevate your videos from good to great. Trust me, mastering the basics of video creation gives you that all-important edge. You want your initial videos to shine, right? It sets a solid foundation for attracting and engaging your audience. Don't forget to do a bit of market research. Subscribe to channels in your niche to see what's working. This is where the magic happens. Analyzing existing videos lets you pick up some great insights and tips that can really inform your own content strategy. And guess what? Listen to your viewers. Identifying content gaps through their requests can lead to unique video ideas that no one else is covering. Tackle these niches and you might just see a boost in your views and a growing audience. Also, let's talk about visuals. Using AI tools to generate custom images can make your content stand out and prevent others from using the same visuals. This originality not only boosts engagement, but also helps build your brand identity. And those AI-generated images, they really amp up interaction on community posts, leading to more likes and comments. With advanced AI tools, editing has never been easier. You can remove unwanted objects from images with just a click, giving your content that professional touch. Plus, editing AI-generated videos is as simple as typing commands. No more wrestling with complicated timelines. This flexibility allows you to create more content faster. And here's an even cooler feature. AI tools can clone voices and translate your content into multiple languages. This means you can reach a wider audience and connect with different demographics. How awesome is that? Remember the 80-20 rule. Spend more time producing videos instead of perfecting every little detail. Focusing on quantity can help you improve your skills through practice. This approach can help you overcome those common hurdles we all face in content creation. Analyzing what works in top-performing videos can also tell you which topics and formats really resonate with viewers. Understanding these trends helps you create content that's not just relevant, but downright engaging. In today's landscape, compelling video ideas can outweigh perfect editing or flashy thumbnails. If you lead with captivating topics, viewers will tune in regardless of your production polish. Lastly, creating a viewer profile can seriously amp up the relevancy of your video ideas. When you grasp your audience's demographics and pain points, you can generate content that truly speaks to them.